What's up, guys? It's your girl Bree Michelle back with another cleaning video. I am cleaning up after my Friendsgiving event that I hosted at my house. If you did not check out that Vlogmas video, it's the Friendsgiving Vlogmas video on my channel. So, of course, you know, when you host an event, how your house can get trashed. My friends did help clean up as much as they possibly could. But obviously, you know, I had to tackle on the hard part. So I decided to bring you guys along with me. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe, please. But yeah, I won't do too much rambling in this video. I'll just let the music play through and bring you guys along while I try to spring clean / winter clean my house. What I did enjoy about this particular event was everything that we used was able to be thrown away. So I really just had to clean my crock pot and my serving utensils that we used and a few wine glasses. So I did have to end up cleaning my room as well. My room always seems to turn into like the VIP spot of the kit bags. Everyone that was at my house, I trust dearly. I love them dearly. They are all my close friends. So having a few pieces of clothes here and there didn't really bother me because, again, these are my friends that come to my house all the time. So I felt comfortable. Again, I didn't feel a need to not trust anyone in my room. But I'm just straightening up the general mess that's in there, as well as the cups and things that were laying around from the guests that were there. So now I am back in the kitchen because, you know, the kitchen is like a two-part process whenever you're cleaning it. But this is pretty much the end of the video. I'm just going to take the trash out and spray Lysol like I always do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.